Hey guys, so Miss Yeager here. So today I want y'all to work on worksheet SP10 from the review packet. I'm going to do number one and one other one with you so you have an example, but these are evaluating. So remember, evaluate means you're going to take whatever letter you have and plug the number in for it. So for this first one, it's x minus y. So my x we have up here as 6. So that's a 6. Minus still stays. And then y is a -4. So 6 minus a -4. You can use your calculator, or if you remember, a double negative makes a positive. So this is really 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So 10 is your final answer. Okay, also remember, like for number 3, xy means x times y. Okay, so I'll set this one up for you. So x is 6. So that's 6 times, let me fix that. That's 6 times, we use a little dot, y is -4. And then you still have your plus sign. And then z is 10. So PEMDAS, if you remember PEMDAS as the order of operations, tells you to do multiplication before you add or subtract. 6 times -4, you can use your calculator, but that's -24. Add 10. Okay, so -24 is a bigger negative number than 10. My final answer should be a negative, and it should be -14. So I'll just give you that one. Okay. The last thing you need to know for this is remember that squareds means you're going to take your number and multiply it twice. Or if you're using your calculator, you have to use parentheses. So this is really like this. You're plugging it in and then squaring it. So if I set this one up for you, let's see, it's x squared, so that's going to be parentheses 6 squared plus y squared. Where's y? Right here. And remember, you need parentheses squared. So when you plug this into your calculator, if you've used parentheses, 6 squared should be 36. You still have your plus sign. And a -4, when the whole thing is squared, should give you a positive 16. Okay, because I'm going to do that to the side. -4 times -4. That's what -4 squared means. Negative times a negative makes a positive, and 4 times 4 makes 16. Okay, so that's what your calculator is doing for you. So 36 plus 16, let's see, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, so 52. Okay, and you can use your calculator. Okay, so I want you to do that for all of these up top. And then down here, you can use your calculator, but I want to see if you can do it without your calculator first. So -3 squared, that would be a -3, I can't write. That'd be a -3 times a -3. So that should give you a +9. And these two things are right next to each other, so they're being multiplied. So there's a little understood dot that we don't write. -2 cubed, ooh, we haven't done cubed in a while. That means you're taking -2 and multiplying it 3 times. So -2 times -2 is a 4, and 4 times -2 is a -8. So 9 times -8 should give you a -72. Okay, so try and do these by yourself. I want you to try all of them. Okay, if you get stuck on one though, use your calculator. Okay, so if you get stuck, use your calculator. Like this one, that's actually not too bad because -2 times 10, that's a -10, times 53. And do y'all remember the trick with anything that ends in a 0? You can do the front number, so -1 times 53 is a -53. and then however many zeros there are, so 10 has 1 0, you add the 0 to the end. Okay, but I want you to try these. So do the evaluation up top, also do the bottom, okay? Do by tonight, and I will check back with y'all later. If you have a question, then email me, canvas me, whatever you need to do, ask me your questions. Okay, bye guys.